Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by turning the feature on, open Settings, and go directly to the Smart Sidebar or App Split Screen controls. Enable Floating Window, and when Android asks, grant overlay and accessibility permissions. This lets apps appear above others. Once done, practice the entry gesture. Either a 3-finger swipe or a long press on an app icon in Recent. That's how you trigger the floating pane quickly. Make sure to toggle auto-resume for multimedia apps, because that ensures the window restores after sleep. Now you control the window. Drag any corner or edge to resize. Vivo supports presets so you can snap to a 16:9 layout or a compact square for chat. Once resized, drag the title bar to reposition and snap it to a screen edge to keep it out of the way. Use the floating menu to pin, minimize to a bubble, or convert to split screen when you need both apps. If an app misbehaves, force reopen from Recent to refresh permissions and memory. To finish, close the floating window with the X, swipe it off screen, or disable the feature in Settings if you no longer want overlays. If the window won't appear, restart the app first, then reboot the device. Often a quick restart re-establishes overlay permission. Make sure the app and system software are updated, because compatibility changes can break floating behavior. And if nothing works, regrant overlay and accessibility permissions. That single step resolves most persistent issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.